Hey, 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 friends and travelers. It's Michelle, the NP travel specialist. Wanted to say hi. I know I look a little weird and fitting this in here, and it's a little later than usual, but life in the fast lane, right? Am I right? So, anyways, today is Travel Tip Tuesday. I don't know why I want to say it like that, but I like it. And I feel like I want to keep going with that. Is that on brand? I don't know. You know what? My brand is random. I don't know. So that's what I like to do. I don't want to be the same every time. Well, except in some instances, I like that. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day. And so today I was talking about packing light to help minimize luggage costs and basically how you could do that. So one of the things is, so this is my so cute little, and I'm not a brand person, but it happens to be London Fog, and it reminds me because I forget the name, but it says that. But it's so cute. It's a little pink thing, and I wanted it to stand out from the crowd. I still haven't taken that off. I've had it for a while now. But I think my last one I've had for over 10 years. So this one is a little update, but it's a little carry-on. And love it. It's got the rollers and everything. And so it's just little. So it has two little sides here. This one comes open and you can have that in there. And then you have this side right here, which is the big hole. And I hope you could see that good enough. So it's just a little carry-on. And so anyways, I had this up because it's like a little platform. And then I got the cube. So super cheap on Amazon. I'm sure available everywhere. But so it's a little cube. You can see a little depth there. That's the seam right there. And then you will pack it. I love these things. And I just barely have had them within the last year. They're awesome, y'all. And it really does help you pack light. So I don't know if any of y'all have read Marie Kondo. I think I'm saying her name. She also has a show, but that she talks about the magic of tidying up. That's her book, and I think her series. And anyways, she teaches you how to fold. So kind of in that same sense is it really does. It can make your dresser. You can fit more clothes in your dresser. You can decrease clutter, and I just freaking love it. And so then that made me, so I do her style now. I love it. And so maybe that was one of the personal development books. I don't know. That was one not too long ago. But anyway, so I bought these cubes after that. I was inspired. And so I do love it. So here we go. Super cheap. So I got some. So this is one of them. And so you just, you could put it in here if you wanted. Hi, Kelvin. I don't know what co-host means. You will have to share that with me. Oh, well, I guess I didn't do that right. But anyways, you'll have to tell me what that means. I don't know what that means. But let me finish showing. So this is some shirts. So you should be able to pack light, no matter where you're going, do 7 days worth of clothes, right? And you can change it up. Use the same set of pants or, same set of shorts. You can wear those for a couple of days. And no matter how long you're going for. So then you put that in there. See, I'm putting that in there. I pick usually the things that are more likely to come apart. So there's another shirt. Here's a nicer shirt. And when you roll them, they really don't. As long as you're not shoving and totally packing them in there like beyond insane, then it should be okay. So see, look, these are my shirts. They're going to stay nice and tidy in there. I'm choosing not to put that one in there. So here's another shirt. Put that in there. And then here's a nicer shirt. See? One of these, but I'm putting it right there on the side. Look at how nicely that is. It's not gonna go anywhere, y'all. It's nice. And then, so here we go. So I don't think I'm gonna put that in there. This is a dress. And did I fold it the best? Maybe not, but I think it's pretty good. So, I can put that up there. I can put the shorts in here. I kind of already pre-folded them for you. I have a pair of pants here. Now this is only 7 days. Okay, so let's see, what else am I going to put in there? What do I have? I have this. I think I'll put those like yoga pants. Although I might wear those on the trip. I love to wear my yoga pants on my trip. But look at this. Look at how nice that is. And those aren't going anywhere. So then usually I will just kind of shove it in there. So look, it sits nicely. These other things are nice. And I still have more room, so I'm trying not to shove it. So this is when I could go into the other side. I have a pair of shoes I'm gonna wear. And these, I love these. They can go with so many of these outfits and make a stylish, you know, outfit out of my pants that could be either casual or not. These ones, which I love. And anyway, so then you can kind of do the cube. You could have another cube, or you could do that here. And look, I have this one already made up to show you. This is a little one, so have like, you know, underwear, socks, that kind of thing. And I could, you know, shove it on top of this if I wanted, just leave it there. And then I have this jacket in here. Now, often I like to wear a different one on the plane, but so, you know, I could put that in there. You can minimize if you want to, just wear that. I need my iron in here, you know, so I find a way to put that in there. You know, how do I like it best? I think I like it right there. And then my brush, I need that. My little jewelry case, which, you know, it's not super fancy. It's not like it has to go. But if you're carrying on, right, I don't need to worry about a whole lot of toiletries or anything. So then in this case, I can choose that up. So I love that. It's kind of like my own other little cube. And then, you know, I can put a little bit of whatever I need in there, you know, and whatever else it is I want. I still have a little bit of room to put things on here. And then I go ahead and close it up. And look, that is 7 days worth of clothes. And the thing is that you can then go, and I'm not very good at changing all of these directions here, but then you could go ahead and go, you could go ahead and go and do the laundry at like the hotel. So a lot of hotels will have laundry that you could either set out, or they have a laundry room, or you could go to a local laundry. So if you're really trying to save money, like y'all, I went to Paris, it was like 100. So, you know, going out of the country, obviously it's more gas because it's more weight and, you know, a lot longer period. And so it was, I don't remember, 120, something like that whenever, you know, you go international, depending on the airlines and everything, of course, perks and blah, blah, blah. But still, even $70. Today I did a booking, which I know I'm not very good. I keep meaning to share all that, but I did a booking and it was only $30. So I was like, wow, they really it's a really good deal on that one. But so to minimize cost, and for those of you who want to travel, you want to minimize cost so you could do more and enjoy more and, you know, travel more. So anyway, so that's the thing that you can do, is don't forget about the laundry service. Many are free in the hotels. Many are for a small price, or there's something locally. So if you do 7 days worth of clothes, you know, we're all creatures of habits too. You just can wash them if you need, you know, wash them if you need to at the local place, and, you know, use multiple clothes that go with the pair, or multiple shirts or something that go with the pair of pants, and, you know, that kind of thing. And there you go. And so anyways, I hope that that helps. I think that covered all of the points today. It was about being, you know, more affordable and getting that luggage on there. And so I'm even working on that, because I don't know. So I wonder who of you all, who checks their bags. Maybe I'm a little bougie. I don't think of myself as bougie. My husband doesn't think of me as bougie, but I'm getting bougier. Maybe because, I don't know, I like to check my bag, because then I've got to think about what kind of stuff is in it. Is it 3 ounces? Is it not? Like, I don't know. Who else likes to check their bags? I like it. But then, you know, with all this travel, you know, things can tend to go wrong more, and it is easier if you have your luggage right there with you. So that is the other argument. You just grab and go. So anyways, that is a way though that you can look at it to try and save and just be ready for anything, and make it all fit. So let me know what you think. Let me know any of your travel hacks, travel tips. I'd love to hear them. And, you know, if I like it, I'll give you a shout out. And of course, you know, do it on a future episode, because I need all the travel tips and hacks that I can get. And I thank you for those who are here live, and for those who are going to watch the replay. Okay, so have a great evening. Hope that helps. Follow me, please, for more. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. All right. Have a good one. Let's see if I can stop it. Yep, I got it.